nyaka e gwenge ma Wajir. Moko kuom jotelo e kaunti ma Wajir ogolo kwayo ne duol mandiko jopuonje tich TSC mondo tim nonro ne apisa mag TSC bade ma Wajir magikoni nyayo tembe mibadhi. Ka giloso gi jofwambo, jotelo go wacho ni apisa mag TSC man ni kono kwayo joma dwaro tich puonj asoya e kandik gi tich. Ka jopuonj madwaro mondo med gi lemo bende gikwayo mit bilie. E kindeno ginyiso jata tije mar TSC Nancy Masharia mondo med kwan jopuonje gwengego kaka yor jiwo rang'iny mar somo. Jatelo mar TSC bade ma Wajir James Ogongo kata kamano ne otamore loso e wi wacho.
We would like to bring the attention of TSC CEO Dr. Masharia on the total mess that is happening in Wajir County TSC office. There are a number of problems that we have encountered with in that office. Among the many are the appointments and promotion of teachers in this county is not merit-based, and the highest bidders are the ones appointed. Thus, there is a total corruption in that office. There are allegations that the office has been turned to a commercial center. Even the recent recruitment of teachers were forced to pay a huge amount of money, thus training them and forcing them even to look for money, or even borrow or take a loan to facilitate their recruitment. This is something that has never happened and we are witnessing in Wajir. We are therefore appealing to TSC CEO and the relevant arms of the government for urgent intervention to bring sanity to this office, which is currently turned into a cash cow.
What is going in that offices is something which we have witnessed, and I stand with the MCA who was given his press, and that is the reality, and we want a total change.
We are part of this country, we are Kenyan citizens, and what we are witnessing, you will see a class, a school that has more than 1,000 kids, and you see having only 2 or 1 TSC teacher, which is not possible. We are requesting the government to consider deploying teachers so that the education crisis is solved in this part of the country.